What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE back with another video, man. And today we'll be going over why I do not purchase sneakers from StockX anymore, man. And I probably won't buy another pair of shoes from StockX until I get back to the States. You will know why by the end of this video. This video is not me bashing StockX. This video is not me telling y'all StockX isn't legit. This is not me telling y'all they legit. This is just me telling y'all why I do not purchase from StockX and some of my past experiences from StockX, man. I ain't trying to get into that backlash I got on my old StockX video where I asked, did StockX sell me a fake pair of sneakers? That people went crazy in the comment section below about that whole title, I guess. I don't know, people was mad, clickbait, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, man, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit my face right there. Shout out to my boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. And hit subscribe button if you don't want to get off the video right now. And also, after the video, or if you want to pause the video, come back. Follow me on Instagram, man. I put the screenshot right here at the Vintage World. The links will always be in the description box below. Very simple, very easy. And yeah, with all that being said, let's go ahead and break down why I don't buy sneakers from StockX anymore. Let's get it. Okay, the first reason why, and I'm pretty sure I've preaching to the choir multiple times about this, it's just because the process it takes to get here, man, to Germany. I'm gonna break it down for y'all. So I have to buy this shoe on StockX. I have to wait till it get verified. I have to wait until it gets shipped to wherever I need to send it to in the States. And then whoever gets the shoe, say if I send it to my mom or my brother or something like that, and then I have to wait another week and a half, 2 weeks tops to get this shoe to Germany, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's very crazy, bro. And the bad thing about it is that it takes already like 2-3 weeks just to get the shoe verified, or the seller to ship it to StockX, and StockX to verify, and then them to send it to my people's, you know what I'm saying, people's spot, and then they gotta send it to Germany, bro. Like, it's crazy. And I know some of my OG subscribers realize, like, the pickups really have slowed down, man. I used to get grill pickups. I used to get, you know what I'm saying, early looks, and now I can't really get early looks because it's gonna take at least a month. Like, I'm telling you, I'm not even over exaggerating. It's gonna take at least a month before I get the shoe in my hand if I want to do an early review. So realistically, I have to get the shoe, you know what I'm saying, a month and a week early, you feel me? Tell me, y'all let me in the comments section below if y'all know what I'm saying. Like, that's really why the pickups been slowing down. That's really why the reviews been slowing down, because even out here, man, they don't get all the shoes that we used to get back in the States, or y'all get back in the States. And like I said, I'm ready to get back to the States so bad, just so I can get, you know what I'm saying, back up my content, back with the vlog and stuff like that. But yeah, that is the first reason why, and it is the whole shipping process. And it's not bashing StockX. I just wish it was a little bit faster. Yeah, like, I know it's a process to their formula, from doing what they do to verify, make sure everybody get 100% legit sneakers. And like I said, that's why I say I'm not bashing them, bro. So it's just that me, I'm impatient, and now I gotta wait that extra 2-3 weeks just to get the shoe. Now I'm just like, fuck, that's why I don't buy shoes from StockX. So let's get into this next reason real quick. Do a little spin off real quick.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care.
Okay, then the next reason is because, as y'all know, StockX has started selling shoes internationally. But what do you think that comes with? You know what I'm saying? Just think about it real quick. Take about 2-3 seconds. All right, so it comes with international shipping fees, bro. Like, it's hefty. So I was about to buy I was about to buy the Concord 11s last month. I think it was last month. I was about to get this shoe for $300. I think it was $300. But then when I went to, you know what I'm saying, put my address over here in Germany, I put my, you know what I'm saying, my card info, and then you get to the shipping part, and then you look, you like, hold on, wait, when did the price get to $370? You have to, it was a $73 international shipping fee. I was like, what is going on, bro? Like, that's a no-go. So that's that's already 80 bucks over retail if I was about to get them for $300. And then y'all gonna add on that $73 in international fees. Y'all can quote me on that. Where I'm at right now in Germany, it was $73, man. And I was like, that's crazy, bro. So that's another reason why I haven't bought on StockX since my Travis Scott 4s. I feel like I got my Travis Scott 4s for a decent price. I could have waited a couple of more weeks, and it went all the way down to the lower 3s, I think. I got mine for a little over $350. But now you can get a pair for like under $300. I don't know. Hey, you live and you learn. You fucking lose money sometimes. You fucking gamble sometimes. You might end up losing some in the end, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, international fees is crazy, bruh. I know some people probably already gonna say like, from my first reason why I don't buy from StockX, why don't you ship it straight to your house? That is why. The international fees is crazy, bro. Crazy. And that is pretty much it. I kind of want to get in depth on why I don't buy from StockX. Because I don't want people to think this, I'm saying that they're not legit or they are legit. This is not me legit taking StockX. It's just me telling y'all why I don't buy from StockX. And will I buy from StockX when I get back to the States? Hell yeah, you know what I'm saying? They got every shoe you need for like the best price. You get on the StockX app. StockX is always, you know what I'm saying, right there with the best prices in the market, you feel me? So don't get that, take that fucking the wrong way. I'm not trying to legit tech them or anything like that. Y'all let me know if y'all buy from StockX and let me know how long it usually takes y'all to get y'all sneakers. If I got any subscribers over here in the UK or in Germany, y'all let me know how much does it cost for you to get your shoes from the States for that international fee, man. I'm very interested in knowing. Maybe it's more when you get deeper into Germany or, you know what I'm saying, deeper like somewhere in Russia. I don't know if they even ship over there. I'm just trying to get, like, what's the estimate of when y'all bought a shoe on StockX? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I'm very interested in knowing. If I can pull up something where it's not showing too much information, I'm gonna show y'all where it's a $73 international fee, man. I promise y'all. I'm gonna put it right here if I can find it, if it's not showing too much of my own info, you feel me? So, with all that being said, as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit my face right there, I think it's the right side. One of these sides, man. Shouts out to my boy, the Retro Wiz Kids. He showed me how to do that. Hit that and hit subscribe. You'll be a member of the Vintage Gang, you feel me? And also, make sure you hit that notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video. And also, there's just so many alsos with these videos, man. Also, make sure you go follow me over on Instagram at DEVINTAGE and go hit me up on there, like some of my pictures, spam my pictures, and I'm gonna show support back, you feel me? So, that's it for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I eat.